Guys, welcome back. Today we're going to design this beautiful twist ring in 3Design. It's a quick and easy project, and along the way you're going to use prongs, belts, ring size builder, bypass ring, and stones. So let's dive in. Okay, so for this ring we're going to use size 6.5, no top. You click OK, and also in the same plane we're gonna get one bypass ring, also 6.5. It's there for us. And for this bypass ring you're gonna work a little bit on it. In the first step you're gonna bring this a little bit inside, around there, and slightly there. In the second tab we're gonna do bending on the end, and we're gonna bring this to make a curve inside and bring a little bit outside. Let's bring this bending a little down. I'm gonna close a little bit more this. We can always open if you need, but for now let's leave this way. Let me go back here, bend a little more. And I think it's good. And we'll click OK. So now let's go to this plane, and you're gonna make the profiles for the shank and for the belts. For the shank, I want something like, not a knife completely, but you know, a little bit angled and comfort fit. It's too much. Let's bring it down a little. About there. I think it's good. Click OK, and also let this tab, let's make the profile for the prong. Sorry, for the belt. I want something a little curved like this. There we go. Okay, now click OK, and you can get out of here. So now we're gonna get the bypass ring, and you're gonna come to sweeping wizard, and you're gonna get the second tab and the profile. I want to be 14 white. I'm gonna add one more to the end and one more to the middle. Oh, let me check the size. I want the size to be 2.3 width by 1.5, and all of them would be the same. And we click OK. We have our shank. Shank is too close to each other. Let's go back here and open a little bit more. The first tab, you're gonna open a little. There we go. All right, now we're gonna add the stone. You're gonna come over here, and we're going to get one oval. We're gonna do 8 millimeters, and we're gonna get yellow diamond. Since we don't have yellow, we're gonna use the citrine color as a yellow diamond, and we click OK. We're gonna get this diamond and move up, move a little down. From the top view, we're going to make like a little bit around here, and now we're going to make it down angled, and I think the height is good. You always can bring the height a little up or down. That's good. And now we're gonna make another diamond. We're going to make a round diamond, 5.2, and I'm gonna have pink diamond for this one. We'll click OK, get the diamond, and you're gonna go up, bring a little out, and that way. We need to get a balance, a visual balance from this side of the ring and this side of the ring, not considering the inside, more the outside of the ring. And we got more or less here. Now we're going to, from front view, we're going to bend, top view, that's good. We always can change that too. So now we're going to start making the belts for the stones. We click in belts. For the top belt, I'm going to get this last tab here, it's custom. So for custom, we're going to get the little hand and the shape that we did for our prong. For that, we're going to have size, lemon click, point, let's do 0.9 and 1 millimeter. And I'm gonna angle that a little bit. Let's angle a little bit inside. And from the top view, let's fix the size. Let me uncheck the ratio. There we go. And also, let's work now on the bottom. The same thing, you'll come over here to custom. We get the little hand, the profile. We're gonna bring down, I want this profile to get on the top like that. That's good. And we're going to also angle this. Let me see, it's gonna be 0.9. And over here, I want to be longer. That's good. A little bit higher. And let's make slightly in. And I think it's good. Let's click OK. And we're gonna get this belt and cut, trim to the finger. There we go. Now we're gonna get this stone and we're gonna get prongs, create one single prong and merge. We're gonna do round tip, and for the shape of this prong, I'm gonna use the same shape of the belt. Come over here to the end, get the little hand and the profile. I'm gonna turn this prong like that. Let me bring down all the way, a little more, and we're going to bring a little out because I don't want to going in too much. The stone about there, and we're going to do, gonna bring inside. I want this going in a little bit, like halfway. Let's bring a little out, down, and this is not nice, so let's bring in out. I think that's good. And over here, guys, you can spend your time fixing the way you like your prong to be. I'm not gonna spend too much time because it's going to be boring for you. But I think about there, it's it's okay. It's okay like that. You click OK, and you get the prongs and clean with trim finger to the finger. Now we're going to do the same thing with the round one. And for this one, let's go back to the tree, go back and claw, and make 0.9 by 1.2, and click OK. Recompute in there, same size of prongs. Let's bring this. Okay, so our ring is done. Now we just need to clean up this part here. And there's a little bit here I want to clean up too. So there's different ways to clean up. The way that I like, it's faster for me. You click this plane and we're going to get the back of the ring. You're going to get a curve and you're going to trace here because you want to get rid of this part, right? So we're going to do around here. Doesn't need to be precise because this is not going to show. And the same thing we're going to do with the bottom. Just going to clean up the part that's showing. We're going to get out of here. We get the two curves and we're going to go up with extrusion and we get the shank, the shapes, and booleanless, and it's clean. There we go. Let's hide everything so we can enjoy our work. There we go. Yeah, guys, so it's a beautiful ring. As you saw, easy to design, and it's very nice, very nice. You can do any size, any shape of a stone, and it's a very interesting and fast way to design. So thank you for being with me to the end. And if you enjoy contents like this, consider subscribing. Very often I have new tutorials coming. So thank you very much for being with me and keep designing, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.